Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the perfect Instagram profile picture size. So if you're changing your Instagram profile picture and it keeps getting distorted or it looks funny or it looks pixelated, I'll show you exactly kind of what to walk through and the perfect size. So if I go, I'm on Instagram here, if I go to my profile picture here, and you can see my picture on the top left, you'll see that it basically crops it to be, a circle. So it always crops it to be a circle, but there's a perfect size to make sure that everything from that photo is actually in there. And if you've used Instagram enough, you'll know that Instagram loves square photos. So that is exactly what their profile picture size is. The minimum pixels is 110 by 110 pixels. So 110 pixels across by 110 pixels high. And that's the exact minimum. Ideally, you'll want something more high resolution than that. And if you have a normal iPhone, it'll be perfect. It'll be high enough resolution that you won't notice any pixelation. However, how do you get to that perfect square crop? If you close out of here and you go into your photos here, I can just choose a random photo here, and you'll see that this photo obviously is not square, but you can tap on it and hit edit, and then you can tap on the little crop icon on the bottom right here, and then it'll give you a couple of options. So you see at the top right here, you can see the different squares. You can tap on that again, and then at the bottom, go to square. Instead of freeform, go to square. So what this does is it automatically crops this photo to be exactly square, which is exactly the dimensions that Instagram wants for your profile picture. So you kind of line it up, and you line it up to how you want it, and then hit done, and then it's cropped to be a perfect square. So if you then use this photo and replace your Instagram profile picture, you'll know for certain it won't crop it at all. However, keep in mind they do have that circle around it, the circle crop. So you'll want to make sure that the kind of focal point of your profile picture is as close to the center as possible so that it's not kind of cropped around. But that's it. That's how you get the perfect Instagram profile picture. And then the size is make sure that it's an exact square crop and it's more than 110 by 110 pixels. Hope this was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.